guys, it's Blaize. Welcome back to my channel. So this is a very long awaited video from me and Mama Blaize. We are officially selling Betsey Johnson jewelry, and thank you to those of you who have already purchased. You guys are amazing, and when you purchase, you're supporting the channel. So thank you from the bottom of my heart and my mother's heart. Thank you very much. Just gonna give you a little bit of a backstory. This is not this year's stock from Betsey Johnson. I believe it's 2016. My mother got it. I have my notes down here. That's why I'm looking. My mother got it at, what's it called? Like, not wholesale, overstock. She got it from a whole bunch of overstock, a lot of them. So she bought them in turn to resell them. The reason we didn't do this last year when we wanted to is because Papa Blaize had a little market inside of a little shop inside of a big market, and he was trying to sell them there. So he sold a couple pieces, but not enough. So we decided this year we're going to do it ourselves. It wasn't that they weren't selling, it was because he had so many other things, and this is an antique mall, so people are mostly looking for antiques. They're not looking for like designer jewelry. These are one-of-a-kind pieces. Some of them are very similar to each other, and there are a couple that we do have a couple of, but it really is first come, first served. So if you see something that you like and you really want to get it, please private message me, DM me. Through all my social medias are always linked down below, as well as my email. I just want to keep it private for your sake, for your address and payments and all that stuff, just to keep it a little bit more secure. So I would really rather not do business publicly. So if you are interested in something like that, please let us know right away so we can get that to you right away before somebody else comes and snacks it. We do prefer that you use PayPal, but if you do not have PayPal, because a couple of you do not, money orders should be fine. There are obviously no returns. Like I said, we will be taking money orders, postal money orders. My mother is right there. That's why I'm looking over there so much, and why I seem a little bit nervous. Hi. The address used for the money orders is the same thing as my temporary P.O. box down in my description, and you also still have to write the name Larry on it. But we do prefer you use PayPal, because then it goes right through, it is guaranteed, and the faster we can ship your desired item or items. We are going to try to fit in a free gift with most of these orders. Not all of them, but we're going to try to fit in as much as we can. But enough of me jabbering my mouth. Let's go ahead and look at some of the pieces that we have out on display right now. So those are some of the pieces that we have. Again, it's not all of them, but it's, I would say, a good majority of them. Like I said, all sales are final, but we will, if you're interested in something, we will send you as many pictures and videos of it as you want, just to reassure you everything is Gucci. This camera really does not do justice to how much these pieces sparkle and shine and are gorgeous, and I honestly would not be selling them to you guys if I didn't think they were worth it. Just like I do with my makeup and my reviews with that, I would not give you guys a good review on bad products. So this is very, very exciting for both me and my mother, and you guys have been wanting it as well. I'm actually wearing a Betsey Johnson pendant right here. It's like 3D. It's got like a blue rose in it, and it's really, really pretty. I just put it on a different cord because I wanted it to be up here. Most of these are sweater necklaces, so they are longer necklaces. I want you guys to keep that in mind. We do have a few items that are not Betsey Johnson that we did purchase, and we will definitely let you know if they are Betsey or not. And if they're not, we are still doing a, well, first of all, we're doing an amazing price for the Betsey Johnson jewelry, but if for the non-Betsey, it's still high quality costume jewelry, and we will price that according to how good it is and the quality of it. I'm going to show you up close just a few of these pieces, some of my favorites. This one is almost like Jack Skellington. So super cute. I love him. He's adorable. Look at how he moves. So I like that one. This one is in most demand and we only have one. So if you're wanting this, you gotta let us know right away. This is like a Queen Disney Princess carriage. It's pink and gold and it's 3D and it is gorgeous. That's just such a interesting, beautiful piece. We do have this beautiful sparkly mermaid for all my little mermaids under the seas. So we do have that. We have a bunch of Christmas ones, including this, one of my favorites. I own one of these already. It's just a multicolored light Christmas tree. Super, super cute. This is one of the regular necklaces that are not sweater necklaces. It's got kitty cats on it and stones and pearls. Really, really super cute. And this is one of my favorite pieces, and I almost was not going to sell this because I want it for myself, but I thought, hey, I will give it to you guys instead because I want to share how beautiful this is. It's multicolored in the middle and blue stones outside, and it's just a beautiful rose pendant, and it is so sparkly, it's heavy, it's beautiful. So those are just some of my favorite pieces. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys are interested, and if you guys are really wanting to purchase stuff, like I said, private message me or direct message me. Again, all my stuff is always linked down below, but I'll also put up right here all my social medias for you to see, or you can email me. Yeah, I think you guys are really going to enjoy these pieces. Again, thank you to the couple people who have already purchased, and I'm really, really, really excited about this. Again, thank you guys so much for just even watching this video. Our Christmas tree is not done yet. We just put it up yesterday. We only put on a few ornaments. So sorry. But please make sure to go down below, hit the subscribe button, and subscribe to this channel right now and become a Blaizer and a part of the Blaize Nation. We'd love to have you here as long as you're as wicked as we are, and I always have at least one free monthly giveaway. Me and Mama Blaize will talk to you soon, and we love ye, all of ye. Am I correct, Mother?
Of course. Aren't you always?
Yes. All right, peace, stay wicked.